What's up, YouTube? This is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles with another episode. We got bad news. My inverter crapped out on me and it's broke, and I've lost electricity and connectivity and everything. Basically, it's this amp INVT makes it, and it checked all the boxes for me, but this is the third time it failed. It's no longer under warranty, and I'm no longer messing with it. So I'm going to replace it with an eco-worthy, all-in-one 10 kilowatt inverter, and I'm going to walk you through it. Okay, so my next step is to remove all this stuff from the old system, replace this plywood that's behind it with 3/4 inch plywood, and I'm going to go up 8 foot high with it as well too. Right now what I got is 5 foot wide, 4 foot tall. I'm going to go 5 by 8 and start mounting all the new equipment on it. All right, got it set up pretty good. Got my solar system upgraded. Like I said, the first step was removing the old plywood and everything. I went with 3/4 inch plywood, and I went 8 foot high. Ripped all the old stuff out. This is my new inverter. This is a eco-worthy 10 kilowatt solar off-grid inverter. It's doing a pretty good job for what I need. Looks like everything's working fine. The only thing I haven't tried is hooking it to the grid or to a generator, but we'll get to that later. It came with Wi-Fi. It has this Wi-Fi dongle hooked to it. Allows you to get the status and how well it's doing and everything. That's working out really well. Solar came in where it always did. There's 2 MPPTs on this. I'm buying more solar panels. I'm buying some 590 watt panels. I'm getting 4 of them. So when them get hooked up, I'll hook them into the second MPPT, and we'll be good to go. This cable provides charging. I can hook my generator to it. Got a handy generator in, and that way I can run off the generator if I want to. This is the output power. It's going into my RV panel, which has 50 amp, 30 amp, and 20 amp service on it. Put a couple receptacles up here so I can plug stuff in. This is my solar disconnect. Wired the batteries to the inverter with 2-watt cables. Massive. And got my old 12-volt batteries wired in the system as well, so I have a total of just over 20 kilowatt hours of storage here, which is very good. 3 of them are server rack batteries. Each of them provide about 5K each, 5 kilowatt hours each. Got them all connected in parallel, and I forgot to put my cover on. There we go. So my 12-volt batteries go through a 100 amp breaker, just in case something goes wrong there. That'll trip. I also have a 200 amp breaker going to my inverter from the batteries, and all these are wired in parallel and connected to each other. They communicate with each other. Now my battery software understands that I have 3 banks of batteries and what my capabilities are, so it gives me a pretty good estimate of how much the state of charge. But in a nutshell, that's it. Had to build this rack for the batteries. This was kind of already built. I just had to modify it to fit into this, so I shortened it up a little bit and connected it in there. Anyway, very happy with the system so far. Not going to use probably not going to use it to its full potential for a while, but like I said, the old one just kept blowing up. The third time I blew it up, it's time to go with something different. This was the old one. Was a pure sine wave inverter. It also did split phase and had a charger built into it. But like I said, it just kept failing. I don't know what it was, whether it's a well pump. You know, they're trying to say that I was overloading it, but I wasn't. It has never been anywhere near 100% load. But anyway, I had the feeling that that inrush from the well pump was a little more than it could handle. So anyway, that was fun. So I moved from 5,000 watts to 10,000 watts. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Look forward to hearing from you.